Hi guys, today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your iPhone. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first you just click on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, you just keep going down here. Then you click here on accessibility here, you just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. So then you just click here on display in text size. You come to next step here, come here to increase contracts, click in this sign or this color. Like you see here color, it's gone, that's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do, that's all. I wish you a great, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.